It's just a quick update on the chicken caravan. I've fixed the door. It's a step. I can get up into it. Inside I have finished the cages off. Some rollaway nest boxes, fold up perches. These perches will lift up. I've got to put a latch up to hold the perches and hold the perch supports back. That's just another little job that I've got to do yet. These are the rollaway nest boxes. I've got to put some matting inside these. Plenty of room for eggs to roll out even with the mat in there. This is the front cage. I've got to put some wire up to stop birds from sitting on this window ledge, because what I don't want to be doing is scraping crap off of there. So I've put a bit of wire up just to stop them from getting onto there and perching on it and crapping all over. With a fold down perch in there. I've decided I'm going to put some bantams in there for the time being. I've no chicks on at the minute, so I'll put some bantams in there on deep litter and worry about the runs after. This is another rollaway nest box. It's the one that's up above that I were on about making. It drops down, and then obviously the chickens will go in there where it's nice and dark and lay their eggs. So I'm going to put some either AstroTurf or the coconut matting that you get for like doormats, to stop the eggs breaking when they lay them. This is the other cage. Again, I'm going to put some bantams in here for the time being. Another foldaway perch. Doesn't really need any more support than that for small bantams. So I'll put maybe a pair of Wyandottes in one, and then have some old English game bantams that I could put in other. So it's coming together. I've got to make the drop down runs for outside. This is the back room that had the shower and well, it's still got the shower in, but it had the toilet in. I'm going to store food in here, so keeps it away from birds, stops them sitting on top of dustbins full of food and crapping all over the lids. I might make an automatic feeder through, if I make it on the back of this wall, and then put a hole through here so the chickens can put their head through and get at the food. That's something I've just thought of now. So I've yet to build the drop down runs for outside. There'll be a door through underneath those perches there, and then there'll be another one through there which I've boarded up for the time being until I've got the runs sorted. But, and I'm just contemplating putting concrete down on the floor, just a couple of inches, because this plyboard probably won't be very good long term. I reckon I'll probably get maybe 4 or 5 years with deep litter and stuff sitting on it, and then it'll be rotted through. So I'm thinking about maybe putting a couple of inches of concrete down. It'll help to preserve the floor, and I think it'll make the caravan last a lot longer. I'll probably get 20 years out of it if I do that. And also it'd have the advantage of giving it some weight, because where I am, we're on one of the small Orkney Islands, and when the wind gets up, it gets up to plus over 100 mile-an-hour winds. So just having a couple of inches of concrete down on the floor, although it's going to make it a bit heavier and a little bit more difficult to tow. I've got a vehicle to tow it that I can just leave attached to it. That should tow it fairly easily. But that couple of inches of concrete will just stop all rocking movement, and it'll definitely stop it from blowing over, because it'll be a lot more bottom heavy. I mean, you can see the floors sort of, when it's been damp, it's not rotted through yet, but it's a little bit sort of, you know, it's a bit flimsy. So anyway, I'll do another video when I've got the other bits done inside that I need to do to finish it, and possibly concrete the floor. But thanks for watching. Bye bye.